Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to activate Elementor Pro. First, make sure you have purchased an Elementor Pro subscription and have the free Elementor plugin already installed on your WordPress website. This is a crucial first step before proceeding with the Pro version. Once those prerequisites are met, head over to your WordPress dashboard. You will find the Elementor menu conveniently located on the left-hand sidebar, ready for your next action. Now, let's connect your account. From the Elementor menu in your dashboard, click on License or Connect and Activate. This action will seamlessly redirect you to the Elementor website. Here, you will need to log into your Elementor account using your credentials. After a successful login, you will be prompted to connect your website to your Elementor Pro license, completing this essential step in the activation process. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup during activation. If your Elementor Pro doesn't activate immediately, first double-check that you have the Elementor Pro plugin installed, not just the free version. A common solution is to clear your website's cache, using a caching plugin if you have one, and also clear your browser's cache. After clearing both, attempt the connection and activation process one more time for a smooth experience. Congratulations! With Elementor Pro successfully activated, you now unlock a world of possibilities. You gain access to hundreds of professional design features, premium templates, and advanced widgets. Explore the powerful theme builder, custom CSS options, and dynamic content capabilities. You are now ready to build truly stunning and highly functional websites with unparalleled creative freedom and efficiency. Enjoy your enhanced web design journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.